This is the Arrowhead Brass PK6014LK or loose key stem assembly for the 450 series faucets. Now the 6014 is for a 14-inch wall thick faucet. So if we take it out of the packaging here, it'll of course come with the complete stem assembly, as well as a short little list of instructions here for installation. Now, when taking measurements of these stems, you got to keep in mind that this rubber piece will move in and out. This rubber check assembly or funnel shaped rubber piece here at the end of the stem. When taking the measurement, you do want to make sure that that is pressed into the body of the stem. So we'll lay that down there. We get a total measurement from tip to tip, so into the check assembly to the end where the handle, or in this case that loose key, will attach to. So we'll get it lined up here. You can see the measurement ends right at the end of the ruler, so we can guess that it measures right at about 18 inches. And once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK6014 loose key stem assembly.